Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I'm here with a very quick little project share. And I did a ATC challenge with Ford Spice with the ATC Card and Coins collab, and I showed you guys these two ATCs that I made using this napkin. But what I had also done was on a live virtual with my girls that we scrap through Zoom. We have a good time. And we do challenges. We have one night we'll work on things that we're working on, projects and stuff, and then the next night we'll do a challenge. And so I did this before I actually made the ATCs, but this was the card I hadn't had a chance to do my video for to show it. But this is the card using that same napkin, and what I did was I first stacked it with some chipboard, and then I stamped the background. You can see it, just some stamping, some green stamping in the background under the napkin. Then I took the napkin apart, I layered it, and cut it apart. I went over it with some marker to highlight some of the staple-like parts in here. You can see that, but it looks like a staple. And then I stamped over top of it. I put this little sticker from the Dollar Tree up here. Beautiful Adventure that came from a Tim Holtz word collection. I stamped some other stamping in the background from a Heidi Swap stamp, which I just moved. And then I used my Vicky Bouton glaze, which is basically gold modeling paste. It got messed up, and I was distracted because I was on the phone with somebody, so I didn't get a chance to really do my best on this tag, but it still turned out cute. I still like it. So I just want to do a little quick project share to show you what I made that goes along with these two little ATCs. So you can see three different ways of how I took that napkin and I altered it. And this was a Julie Netting doll tag that you tag pad that this came from. And again, you can see how I took elements like that's the tree and that's the giraffe from the same napkin and altered it. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.